Buying or selling real estate is a complex process that involves a variety of legal documents. While a good agent will make the process as easy for you as possible, there is a lot that goes on behind the scenes. In Florida, neither party is required to hire a closing attorney, and some transactions close without an attorney's involvement. But this is a risky approach, and there are several reasons why whether buying or selling, hiring an experienced real estate closing attorney to represent you is a good idea. Neither real estate agents nor non-attorney title insurance agents can provide legal advice, but many do so, often not realizing that they are exceeding their bounds. As a buyer or seller, you should rely only on the advice of an experienced attorney when it comes to legal matters. If you don't, you could end up making a costly mistake, and you may or may not have grounds to seek to recover your losses. There are several reasons to have an experienced attorney on your side. Helping you understand the risks involved. Both buyers and sellers face risks when pursuing real estate transactions. This includes risks that can jeopardize the deal, as well as other risks for substantial out-of-pocket losses. As an experienced real estate closing attorney, I can advise you of these risks, help you address them appropriately, and help you decide when a proposed transaction is too risky to pursue. Reviewing the purchase and sale agreement. Real estate purchase and sale agreements are complex contracts that contain numerous terms and conditions. I can review the agreement and explain all of the implications of signing the agreement as is, and when necessary, redraft the agreement to safeguard your interests. Providing advice based on past experience. When entering into a real estate transaction, it pays to be able to rely on the advice of someone who has been there hundreds of times before. As an experienced real estate closing attorney, I can spot red flags and anticipate issues that have the potential to lead to an undesirable outcome. In addition to reviewing all of the documents involved in your transaction, I can negotiate on your behalf to secure necessary contractual protections. For example, if you are a seller and your buyer is seeking to impose conditions for closing, I can negotiate these conditions to ensure that they do not present unreasonable risks. Likewise, if you are a buyer and the seller's attorney rejects your proposed conditions, I will work to negotiate terms that work for both parties. Conducting a title search. For buyers, a title search is absolutely critical. Along with procuring title insurance, conducting a title search protects against the risk of the seller not owning full title to the property free and clear. Even if a seller believes that it has free, clear, and marketable title to the property, there are a variety of reasons why this might not be the case. Unknown liens, mortgages, tax liens, or other claims to the property are not uncommon. A title search will reveal these issues so that they can be resolved before closing. While many real estate transactions close without a hitch, issues and disputes do arise from time to time. If any issues arise with your deal prior to closing, I can help you resolve these issues and get to the closing table on favorable terms. If warranted, I can also help you make an informed decision about whether it makes sense to walk away. Finally, I will oversee the closing process to make sure it goes as it should. I'll answer any last-minute questions you may have, and if any issues arise at the closing table, help you decide how to move forward. I am both an attorney and a licensed Florida title agent. This means that when I am retained as the closing agent for a transaction, there is no need to have a title company involved. My office will conduct the title search and issue all title policies that are required for the sale. If you are buying or selling real estate in Florida, call our office at 352-377-6600 for a smooth closing experience and the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your rights will be protected.